my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. Warm welcome, welcome, welcome. Dear Diary, it is February 4th, 2024. You guys, I'm just showing you my hair. Now keep in mind, last video I told you to pay close attention to what my twist looked like in the previous video. After wash day, using Back to the Basic, it really just brought my hair back to life. But today's video, I'm going to focus on dusting my ends. I cannot remember the last time I clipped my ends. I'm sure it was probably sometime last year. My ends have been feeling very rough, so I'm just doing a light dusting of the tips of these twists. I'm not doing anything perfect, but again, just a light dusting. If you are new tuning in, thank you for joining. Please subscribe, hit that bell's notification, and give this video a great big thumbs up. That really just helps me out a lot and makes my heart smile. The shears that I'm using to clip my ends are some shears that I purchased a couple of years ago from online, and I really like them a lot. I only use these shears for hair cutting. I don't use it for anything else. Y'all, check out how juicy my little twists are. I'm so happy to see that my hair is perked up. Really makes my heart smile. So this gives you an idea of the light dusting, literally just a light dusting. This is all the hair that I clipped off on today, so I'm happy about that. Y'all, look at these gray hairs. So you guys know that I have been dealing with stress. It was traumatic for my hair. In turn, I started sprouting gray hair. Wherever I grow hair, I started sprouting gray hairs. But it has definitely took a hit to my hair here, as you guys can see. But I do want to say thank you so much for your continuous support, and I will see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.